The truth about crystals and the law of attraction. The relationship between crystals and the law of attraction has been discussed, debated, and explored for centuries. Across ancient cultures, spiritual traditions, and modern manifestation communities, crystals are believed to amplify intention, strengthen energetic focus, and help individuals align with higher frequencies of abundance, love, healing, clarity, and transformation. Yet the real truth behind how these two worlds connect is often misunderstood. Many people assume crystals themselves create results, while others dismiss them entirely as symbolic or placebo-based tools. The deeper truth is far more nuanced, powerful, and layered. This content explores the real mechanics behind crystals and manifestation, how energy interacts with intention, and how human consciousness creates a bridge between physical minerals and metaphysical outcomes. It takes you deep into the science, the spirituality, the psychology, and the energetic realities behind why crystals can influence your vibrational field and why your intentions shape your life. This content is designed to keep the listener engaged from beginning to end. It provides raw, grounded, factual, and experiential knowledge without unnecessary storytelling. It speaks to a global audience in clear English and invites the viewer to listen till the end, like, subscribe, comment, and share their perspective, especially if they have questions. The goal is to make every second of this content meaningful and to deliver the strongest understanding of crystals and the law of attraction ever presented in one place. The foundation of energy and manifestation. To understand how crystals influence manifestation, one must first understand the basic principles of energy. Everything in the universe is made of energy vibrating at different frequencies. This includes thoughts, emotions, desires, physical objects, and even personal beliefs. The law of attraction states that similar frequencies are drawn to each other. Your thoughts, feelings, and beliefs radiate vibrations, and these vibrations determine what you attract into your life. When you think repeatedly about an outcome, feel emotionally aligned with it, and believe it is possible, you begin to emit a frequency that matches that reality. Crystals are not magical objects that change your life on their own. They are stable vibrational structures that can help you stay aligned with a desired frequency. They do not replace your intention, but they support it. Think of the law of attraction as a radio signal and your intention as the broadcaster. Crystals function like amplifiers. They help stabilize your frequency, strengthen your emotional focus, and prevent your energy from scattering. This is why many people feel more grounded, calm, inspired, or motivated when they work with specific crystals. The crystal does not give you the result. It helps you maintain the energy needed to manifest the result. The scientific reality behind crystals. Crystals have a molecular structure that is recurring, consistent, and stable. This structure allows them to hold frequency without distortion. That is why crystals are used in watches, radios, computers, satellites, lasers, and communication devices. Quartz, in particular, has piezoelectric and pyroelectric properties, meaning it can store energy, release energy, and transform energy. If scientists use crystals to stabilize frequencies in advanced technologies, then working with them for energetic stability is not far-fetched. While science does not fully measure metaphysical energy yet, it does confirm that everything emits frequency. Human thoughts and emotions produce measurable electromagnetic waves. Crystals also produce measurable energy fields. When two energies come into contact, they interact, influence, and resonate with each other. This is known as entrainment. When your energy field becomes unstable due to stress, fear, self-doubt, or confusion, your vibration drops. Crystals hold a stable pattern and can help your energy field gradually match their consistency. This does not guarantee direct manifestation, but it supports the internal alignment required for manifestation. The spiritual reality behind crystals. Ancient cultures believed that crystals held the wisdom of the earth. They saw them as living frequencies, carriers of memory, and allies for intention. In many traditions, crystals were used for healing, protection, prosperity, intuition, and spiritual connection. The spiritual truth is that crystals are not tools to force the universe. They are tools to transform the self. Manifestation is an inner process. The outer world is simply a reflection. When a person is emotionally aligned, mentally clear, spiritually open, and energetically steady, the universe responds with synchronicity, opportunities, ideas, and guidance. Crystals help cultivate this inner steadiness. They act as reminders, anchors, and vibrational companions as you shift your consciousness. The psychological reality behind crystals. Your mind plays the biggest role in manifestation. Belief shapes perception. Perception shapes behavior. Behavior shapes outcomes. Crystals work psychologically by enhancing focus. When you hold a crystal and set an intention, your mind becomes more attentive and committed to that intention. You create a symbolic connection between your desire and the physical world. This helps the subconscious mind accept the goal as real and achievable. The subconscious mind is responsible for 95% of your daily actions and decisions. When a crystal becomes a symbol of abundance, love, clarity, healing, or protection, your subconscious builds new patterns aligned with that intention. Over time, these patterns influence your thoughts, emotions, behaviors, and results. How crystals support the law of attraction. Crystals interact with the law of attraction in 4 major ways. They help raise your vibration. They help hold your intention. They help stabilize your emotional frequency. They help align your subconscious mind with your desired reality. Crystals do not manifest for you. They help you become the version of yourself who manifests. Every crystal has its own vibrational signature, determined by its structure, color, formation process, and mineral composition. When you use a crystal with a specific intention, you match your energy with the crystal's energy. This vibrational partnership creates coherence, which is essential for manifestation. The role of intention in crystal manifestation. Your intention is the most powerful part of the manifestation process. A crystal amplifies what you focus on. If your intention is weak, confused, fearful, or inconsistent, the crystal amplifies that. If your intention is clear, strong, and emotionally aligned, the crystal amplifies that. Intention is not just mentally wishing for something. Intention is emotional alignment, mental clarity, spiritual conviction, and energetic consistency. When these elements work together, manifestation becomes powerful. Crystals help by acting as an anchor for your intention. Each time you see or touch the crystal, your mind reconnects to your goal. How to choose the right crystal for manifestation. Choosing a crystal is not about following trends. It is about alignment. The right crystal resonates with your intuition, your emotional state, and your intention. For abundance, crystals like citrine, pyrite, green aventurine, and tiger's eye support prosperity frequencies. For love, rose quartz, rhodonite, malachite, and rhodochrosite help deepen emotional harmony. For healing, amethyst, clear quartz, selenite, and black tourmaline provide balance and clearing. For clarity, lapis lazuli, fluorite, sodalite, and herkimer diamond strengthen mental focus. For spiritual growth, labradorite, moonstone, amethyst, and lemurian quartz raise intuitive frequency. How to use crystals for manifestation. Working with crystals is a practice, not a one-time action. Keeping them near you keeps your energy reminded of your intention. Holding them during meditation strengthens emotional alignment. Setting intentions with them programs your subconscious mind. Using them during visualization stabilizes your inner frequency. Carrying them in your pocket keeps your vibration supported throughout the day. Placing them near your bed influences your subconscious during sleep. Placing them in your workspace enhances focus and motivation. The more consistent you are, the stronger the vibrational field becomes. How crystals reinforce the law of attraction daily. Manifestation requires consistency. Your vibration shifts every day depending on your thoughts and emotions. Crystals help keep your vibration steady by holding a fixed frequency. When your emotions fluctuate, the crystal remains a stable anchor. When your thoughts waver, the crystal reminds you of your intention. When your energy drops due to stress or fear, the crystal helps bring it back to balance. Over time, this consistency creates a strong vibrational field, which accelerates manifestation. The reality of why some people manifest faster with crystals. People who manifest faster with crystals do not have special powers. They have stronger alignment. They trust the process, connect deeply with their intention, and maintain emotional consistency. They use crystals as energetic tools, not magical shortcuts. They understand that crystals amplify frequency, and they keep their frequency steady. They combine intention, belief, action, and energy. They do not depend on crystals. They collaborate with them. The misconceptions about crystals and manifestation. Many believe crystals will bring results without effort. Others believe crystals replace the law of attraction. Some think crystals are good luck charms. Some believe crystals must be expensive to work. Some think crystals automatically manifest desires. All these are misconceptions. The truth is crystals are frequency stabilizers, not miracle makers. They support your manifestation process, but your intention, belief, emotions, and energy create the results. A crystal can help you align, but alignment is your responsibility. The deeper truth about manifestation and consciousness. Manifestation is not just about attracting outcomes. It is about becoming the person who naturally attracts outcomes. The law of attraction works through identity. When your identity shifts, your vibration shifts. When your vibration shifts, your reality shifts. Crystals help you transform identity by influencing your emotional and energetic patterns. They help you embody confidence, clarity, peace, love, abundance, and purpose. When you embody a new frequency, the universe mirrors it back. The role of action in crystal manifestation. Manifestation requires aligned action. Crystals influence energy, but action influences physical reality. When you take action aligned with your intention, the energy and the physical world meet. Without action, energy remains unexpressed. Crystals help provide emotional clarity that supports action. They help reduce fear, self-doubt, and confusion. They help increase motivation, courage, and inspiration. But they do not replace action. The power of emotional alignment with crystals. Emotion is the real magnet in manifestation. Thoughts set direction, but emotions activate attraction. When your emotions match your intention, manifestation becomes powerful. Crystals help regulate emotional states. They calm anxiety, reduce fear, enhance confidence, deepen love, strengthen courage, and amplify hope. These emotional states raise your vibration. A higher vibration aligns with higher outcomes. Emotion is frequency. Crystals help stabilize frequency. Together, they create coherence. How crystals influence the subconscious mind. The subconscious mind responds to symbols, repetition, and sensory input. Crystals act as physical symbols of intention. Seeing them daily reinforces your desire. Touching them sends sensory signals to the brain. Programming them creates mental association. Holding them during meditation creates deep subconscious anchoring. Over time, the subconscious mind accepts the intention as a part of your identity. When identity shifts, manifestation becomes automatic. Manifestation blocks and how crystals help clear them. Manifestation blocks come from fear, doubt, past trauma, limiting beliefs, guilt, unworthiness, and emotional wounds. These blocks lower vibration. Crystals help dissolve these blocks by supporting emotional healing and energetic clearing. Clear quartz clears confusion. Amethyst calms emotional chaos. Black tourmaline absorbs negative energy. Selenite purifies energetic residue. Malachite releases emotional pain. Rose quartz heals the heart. When blocks dissolve, the law of attraction works faster. Why crystal cleansing matters for manifestation. Crystals absorb energy from the environment and from the person using them. If not cleansed, they may hold stagnant or conflicting energy. This can influence your vibration and weaken your manifestation frequency. Cleansing crystals resets their energy. Methods include running water, moonlight, selenite slabs, sound frequency, breath cleansing, and intention-based cleansing. A cleansed crystal resonates more powerfully with your intention. Why charging crystals supports manifestation. Charging a crystal means reinforcing it with fresh, high-frequency energy. Sunlight provides vitality. Moonlight provides intuition and spiritual clarity. Earth energy provides grounding. Visualization provides intention. Charging a crystal aligns it with your current manifestation goals. When both your energy and the crystal energy are charged, manifestation becomes more efficient. How to program crystals for manifestation. Programming is the practice of assigning a specific intention to a crystal. Hold the crystal, breathe deeply, and focus on a clear desire. State your intention mentally or verbally. Visualize the crystal holding that frequency. Feel the emotion of the desire being fulfilled. This process imprints your vibrational signature into the crystal. A programmed crystal reminds your energy of the intention every time you touch it. The truth about crystal grids and manifestation. Crystal grids are arrangements of crystals designed to amplify intention. The geometric pattern strengthens the energy field. Multiple crystals work together to support the same goal. A central stone holds the main intention. Surrounding stones amplify and stabilize the frequency. Grids are powerful for large goals, long-term manifestations, abundance, protection, healing, and spiritual growth. They create a consistent energetic field that influences your environment and subconscious mind. The reality of why crystals work for some and not for others. Crystals work when your consciousness is open, aligned, and engaged. They fail to work when you do not believe, when your intention is unclear, when you are emotionally conflicted, or when your vibration is inconsistent. Manifestation is not about having the crystal. It is about having the alignment. Crystals support alignment, but alignment is created by your inner state. How to raise your vibration with crystals. Raising your vibration requires emotional purity, mental clarity, physical balance, and spiritual openness. Crystals help by stabilizing energy, clearing negativity, promoting mindfulness, supporting healing, and amplifying positive emotions. When your vibration is high, your manifestation power increases. High vibration attracts opportunities, synchronicities, supportive people, inspired ideas, and accelerated results. The connection between crystals and universal energy. Crystals are natural conductors of universal energy. They form deep within the Earth over millions of years. They hold the memory of the Earth's evolution. They resonate with cosmic frequencies. When you work with a crystal, you tap into this universal field. This connection strengthens intuition, manifestation, and inner transformation. The deeper meaning of manifesting with crystals. Manifestation with crystals is not about controlling reality. It is about aligning with a higher version of yourself. Crystals help you evolve emotionally, mentally, spiritually, and energetically. They help you become a person who naturally attracts abundance, love, clarity, and purpose. They help you connect with your highest potential. Manifestation is not an external achievement. It is an internal evolution. Crystals support this evolution. How to build a manifestation routine with crystals. A consistent routine creates strong energetic momentum. Meditate with your crystal each morning. Visualize your goal while holding it. Carry it with you throughout the day. Keep it near your workspace. Place it under your pillow at night. Cleanse and charge it weekly. Reinforce your intention regularly. The more consistent the routine, the stronger the manifestation field becomes. The truth about results and patience with crystals. Manifestation is not instant. Crystals help you build the right vibration. The universe responds when your inner state matches your desire. Patience is alignment. Impatience is resistance. When you trust the process, the energy flows easily. Crystals help maintain this trust by keeping your vibration stable. When you stay consistent, results follow. The final understanding of crystals and the law of attraction. The true power of crystals lies in their ability to align your energy with your intention. The true power of the law of attraction lies in your vibration. When these two forces combine, manifestation becomes smoother, faster, and more aligned. Crystals support your energy. You create your reality. Together, they form a partnership that can transform your life. If listeners found this content valuable, they can listen till the end, like, subscribe, comment, and share their thoughts. If they have questions or perspectives, they can comment below so they can be explored in future videos.